fish. Welcome back to Catching with Cole. We're here at the creek again. They just stocked a bunch of nice rainbows in here. Let's see if we can catch some. Big fish. Got the breeder. Let's go. Let's go. Another breeder. Come on. Stay on. That is a really nice fish. Nice, let's go. Stay in the net. That's awesome, let's go. Freaking giant. All right guys, first fish of the day is a big one. Probably pushing 20, 21 inches. That was a nice way to start out the day. Let's see if we can get another big one like that. There's another one. Fat little guy. All right guys, the first hole was a success. We're gonna go upstream and fish another hole. Okay, we're up here at the next hole. Already see a bunch of fish out in front of me. Let's see if we can hook into one of them. There he is. First cast at the second hole. Oh, is that a brown? Yeah, it's a little brown. Nice. That's a better sized fish. Come on, stop flipping. Stop flipping. You're just tangling yourself up there, buddy. Another nice little rainbow. There's another brown trout. There we go. Pretty rainbow, fish number 12. All right, I'm gonna move downstream to another hole. Managed to get 5 rainbows and 2 browns out of here, which was nice. So let's see if there's any fish down at the other hole. There's a brown. Man, that's a nice brown. Let's go. That's a good fish. Nice, another brown. Let's go. Oh, there we go. There's a pretty rainbow. Come on, buddy. Nice. He's got some nice colors to him. Number 19. Fish number 22. Fish number 22. We're gonna let him go. See you later, buddy. All right, guys, we're going way downstream to another hole. Managed to get 5 or 6 out of that hole, so hopefully we'll get some luck down here. There we go. Good rainbow. Fish number 27, I think. That is a pretty fish. Beautiful brown trout. Got some nice orange colors to him. Gonna let him go. See you later, buddy. Another brown. Let's go. Another pretty brown trout. That's fish number 29. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Ended up catching 41 fish, mostly rainbows, but had some nice browns in there too. If you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing. And until next time, tight lines.